Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing I have Festool KAPEX KSC. So this is battery version of famous KAPEX saw and with brushless motor. Today I will do unboxing and first look, then hope you'll have time and do full review for this saw. So let's start and see what we receive inside. Just want to tell you that I have bought it from Germany. I will put the link in the description of the shop. The name is gotools.de website. I paid it about 820 euro, but as you can see, this label, Master Edition. I do not know if Festool doing this or the shop is doing this Master Edition. The meaning is that it comes with totally new extra saw with the this Mitre saw. So let's look what we receive in the box. But before that, as we can see here, this is warranty card. Just let me to take it out. As well, you can see that the box is opened and closed. This is warranty card. If you register the tool in official website of Festool, you will get extra 1 year warranty, 2 plus 1 year. So it's recommended to register and have another extra warranty year for your tool. I think the custom service is closed and opened. Look what inside. So box come a little bit damaged. Hope the saw and everything inside normal. Let's open and check. First thing, we have this dust box. You can see article number and everything. Inside we can find Festool dust box, which comes with Mitre saw, with track saw, and maybe with other tools from Festool. It's quite nice. At the back you have zipper, soft cloth. Inside we have this plastic rounded metal rods which keep the hole in this shape, in its shape. So nice thing to have, especially with cordless battery saw, because you can take it out and do not want to have vacuum with you. So it will, I hope, take some amount of dust. In full review I will test it and show you, of course. And this is bigger hole side. As you know, the vacuums from Festool, two sizes hoses. This one is bigger one. Okay, let's continue what we have inside. So I see the blade. Yes, this is an extra blade for the saw, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, for Master Edition. As you can see, it's regular 36 tooth blade. All characteristics is here. As well, at the back you can see other blades from Festool for this saw. This is universal wood. As well, I have bought fine cut. It's 60 tooth blade. Hope it will have do me clean cut for laminated OSB boards, as well as aluminum and plastic and laminated HPL. I have similar blade for my track saw TS60. I have a full review on this saw as well for the blade for melamine OSB boards. So I will put links in the description. If you are interested, you can go and watch. As well, tooth configuration, count, and other information about saw blade. So separately, if you want to buy this blade in Europe, it's starting from 50 euro up to 80 euro based on the shop and time, some discounts and so on. Inside we can see blade and instruction manual. So just like a gift, because regular saw without master edition, the same price in the same shop. I waited till it come again in stock and buy immediately, so received this nice edition. Let's take out the saw and just a moment, I will do it a little bit hard. And what about the weight? The package weight is about 22 kilograms and the weight of the saw is without batteries about 70 kilograms. So it's not lightweight, but as well it is not heavy saw. As well, if you are interested in box size, I will show you. One dimension 54 centimeters. Second dimension 49, and third one is 72 centimeters. So if this information is important for you, box size, you can see, because for me it was important as I'm using shipping forwarder companies to receive it in my country. So to not pay extra money for volume, you can check dimension with your shipping company and in ahead know what you will pay for the shipping. Let's try again to take it out from the box. It's quite difficult to do it. Just a moment. Nearly done. Yes. The hardest part of the unboxing was done. Here is the saw. Let's continue look what we received with the saw. This is user manual and some information about safety and so on, which comes in different languages starting from English and other European languages. The same for instruction. You have illustration for all features of the saw and detailed description. I will show in detail the important information from user manual in full review. Many people do not read user manual, but I totally recommend spend 10-15 minutes to read user manuals. You will find out some features about which you do not any info, or some specification which is important in your work and so on. Spend as well safety information, spend that 10-15 minutes and read. This is very nice accessories which come with this especially this saw kit. This is angle gauge. When you do some mitering, not all angles 90 degree in real life, so all the time you deal with some other angles, 88, 91, so on. So this is some accessories which help you to do custom angling for Mitre. Just you go to the angle, fix, for example, this is the angle, tighten with this one, and transfer this information to Mitre saw to cut exact angle. I will do more detailed how to use this and what features it has in full review. As well, we receive regular clamp from Festool. This is, if you are familiar, this is comes as well with track saw guide rails, so you can use from, if you have others, from your guide rail, or use this one with your guide rail. Nice thing which comes with your saw as well, it comes with these extra feeds which makes saw height like 112 millimeter sustainer. I will show in full review how to put it, how to use it with sustainer to get extra support when you are doing miters. So let's go to the saw. I will cut the zipper and release the saw. As you can see, it quite nicely packed. But in long transportation, it is better to put the whole box in another box to be 100% sure that everything will come without any damage. That's it, and just let me release the saw and show you. As you can see, another 36 blade comes with the saw. That's it. This is unboxing for the saw. Wait for full review. If you have any question on something which you would like to know about the saw, leave in the comments and I will try to answer them in full review.